Hi there, this is Elisa, your licensed financial professional and retirement specialist. So today I got a call from my client asking if would like to, change her Index Universal Life to a term policy. So before you do that, let me explain first, okay, what a term life insurance is and how it works. Okay, so this is an example of a typical, to a 30-year-old female getting a $500,000 life insurance policy, which is a term level policy for 20 years. Okay. So her rate class is standard and she's non-smoker. So as you can see, okay, she's paying only $400 per year, which is, very not really very expensive, very low price, right? And as you can see, $400 divided by 12 is she's paying only $33 per month. Okay, which is really, it's within the budget, right? But how does a term life insurance works? So for the first 20 years, okay, her paying $400 if she, does not pass away. Because with term, if you don't die within the term, okay, your payment never goes back, never comes back. Okay, so at the end of the term, she already paid $8,000, which is, that one is gone. It's like your car insurance, right? When you pay car insurance, if nothing happens, you don't get any money back from the company. Same thing with term, okay? It's like renting an apartment also. So that $8,000, okay, is not gonna come back, okay? Because it doesn't have cash value. So at the end of the year, okay, if this person, okay, will renew, okay, because of course this person still wants to be covered, right? So she's gonna renew for another 20 years. So therefore, her premium is gonna go up to 2025 per year. So from $400, it went up to 2025. So as you can see, okay, 2025 divided by 12, that's $168.75. So from $33, it went up to $168.75. And at the same time, this client will undergo again underwriting. So who knows, after 20 years, if you're still healthy or you're not. So there's the risk of not getting approved for a life insurance policy because you never know. Okay. So if she applies for that, she renewed this policy, okay, after 20 years now, she's 30, after 20 years, she's 50, then after 20 years, she's only 70 years old. So usually, people when they get term life insurance, okay, only less than 1% get claims. So that means they don't really, most people do not pass away within the term. So at the end of another 20 years, this person already, okay, have paid $90,000 in this policy. So if she does not pass away, that $90,000 will not come back because there's no cash value, okay? It's only going to cover you within the term in case something happens, the company pays, okay? So if, the good news is if something happens, if this person pass away, then the family gets the life insurance. So it is really like a death insurance. You only get the money or the family gets the money, okay, in case, the insured pass away. So there's really not much, with the feature of this policy, okay? At the end, this person, could have already paid if she does not pass away, over $100,000. Okay, so that's how term life insurance works. Now, there's different types of term life insurance. There's group term. There's the 5 year, the 1 year, the 10 year, the 20 year, 30. Okay, 25 years. It depends. Okay, and also we have term insurance with living benefits. So people get that because again, within their budget, they want to have money extra. Okay, that's why people get term and invest a difference. But then the problem with that is that they don't know where to invest a difference, right? And the problem also with term life insurance is that you don't have cash value, so the money that you're putting in is not accumulating. Okay, unlike permanent plans, okay, you're accumulating cash value in the permanent life insurance, and that's why other people also prefer the permanent insurance because they want to accumulate cash value. Okay, so that's how term life insurance works. Okay, very simple. Okay, so again, it depends on you. Okay, you want term, you want permanent. Okay, you want index universal life, you want whole life. It depends on your goals. Okay, and at the end of the day, okay, what my goal is for you is to understand what you're getting and what are the implications or advantages and disadvantage of what you're getting. Okay, so this is again Elisa here to help. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Have a wonderful day.